In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji to your PowerPoint presentation. Adding emoji is a fun and engaging way to make your slides more lively and interesting. It's an easy process and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's kick things off by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have PowerPoint open, go ahead and navigate to your presentation. Maybe you have a presentation prepared that you're working on, or perhaps you're starting fresh. Either way, this is where we'll be adding our emoji. Now, find the specific slide where you'd like to add an emoji. If you have multiple slides, make sure to select the one that has the text where you want to incorporate your emoji. This could be a bullet point that you want to make more visually appealing, or a headline that could use a bit of fun. Once you've chosen your slide, click directly on the text box where you want the emoji to appear. This allows you to edit the text and insert the emoji exactly where you want it. Remember, emoji can add a personal touch or highlight important points, so think about where they'll have the most impact. Here comes the nifty part. Press the Windows key and the period key on your keyboard at the same time. This keyboard shortcut is a quick way to open up the emoji picker, which is a dialog box full of various emoji options. It's like a built-in catalogue of emoji right at your fingertips. When the emoji picker appears, you'll see a wide variety of options. There are smiley faces, hand gestures, animals, and more. You can browse through them, or if you have a particular emoji in mind, use the search feature to find it faster. Once you find the perfect emoji to enhance your slide, simply click on it and it will be inserted into your text. Adding emoji not only enhances the visual appeal of your presentation, but also helps in communicating emotions and ideas in a simple, effective way. Emoji can grab your audience's attention or lighten up the mood of your presentation, making it memorable. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint slides are now a dash more colorful and expressive, all thanks to the ease of adding emoji. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process that packs a punch in terms of visual impact. So keep experimenting with emoji in your presentations and enjoy connecting with your audience on a new level. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know how you've jazzed up your own presentations using emoji.